Hi, and today is the last day of year one, so I thought we would have a big quiz. Okay, so there are some questions. There's 4 rounds, and in each round there are 5 questions, so there are 20 questions for us today. So there are 4 rounds with 5 questions in each. Okay, and I'm going to go through them. We might have to make more than one video because it might be too long, but let's see. Don't worry if you need to pause the video to work out the answer. That's also fine too. So, round 1 is a maths round. Round 1 is a maths round. Okay, so let's go. So, what is 3 groups of 10 the same as? What is 3 groups of 10 the same as? So 1 group of 10, 1 group of 10, and 1 group of 10. 10 pin bowling. If you need to, you can count them, or you can just count them in tens. 10. Okay, but that is the right number if you also need to count them. If you need to pause, don't worry. Question number 2. Question number 2. Question number 2. What is the missing number in this number sentence? What is the missing number in this number sentence? Something. I can't read the numbers. I'm not going to read the numbers. So this number, add something equals this number. What is the missing number? What is the missing number? If you need to pause, then that's also fine. Oh, this one. Count in twos, count in twos, count in twos. How many flip-flops are there? How many flip-flops are there? But try to count in twos. Don't just count them once. Try and count them in twos. So 2. They come in pairs, don't they? Even pairs. Great stuff. This one might be trickier. Solve this number sentence. You can always draw dots or use something to help you. You could use bits of pencils, or you could use pasta, or whatever you need to use at home. Solve this number sentence, drawing dots to help you. Okay, so I think that's 5 questions. Oh no, that was 4. 2, 3, 4. Last one. What is 1 less than 43? What is 1 less than 43? So you've got 43 there on the screen. What is 1 less than 43? Is 1 less than 43. Great stuff. Okay, that's the end of round 1. End of round 1. Round 2 is phonics. We love a bit of phonics, don't we? Round 2 is phonics. Again, if you need to pause the video to work out the answer, I don't mind at all. Okay, if you need to pause the video, then that's fine. Okay. Read these words. Which word is the odd one out? Read these words. Which one is the odd one out? If you need to pause the video, that's fine. Read these words. Which word is the odd one out? And write it down. Oh, how many sounds are in this word? How many sounds are in this word? Okay, if you need to pause the video and sound it out. How many sounds are in this word? And the next one. Spell the word house. Spell the word house. It's been in your spellings a couple of times in lockdown. Spell the word house. Spell the word house. 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 I gave you a bit of a clue there. Spell the word house. Great job. And this one, I'm not going to read them. Oh, let's just make myself a bit smaller because you can't read that. The last one. Which word fits best into this sentence? And I'll read the red words, but not the purple ones. Are the children. Are the children. Which word fits best into this sentence? Which word fits best into this sentence? Are the children. And looking carefully because it's a question with a question mark at the end. Pause the video if you need some more time. Great stuff. And next one. Which of these words is a compound or jigsaw word? Read the words. Which of these words is a compound word? A compound word is two words that we put together to make one word. Which of these words is a compound word? Great stuff, well done. And that's the end of the phonics round. I'm going to make myself a little bit bigger. There I am, that's the end of round 2. New round, new hat. So, how are we looking for time? Really good. So, round 3. Round 3 is science and geography. Science and geography. The things, sometimes we do these in the afternoon, don't we? Okay. So which arrow is pointing? Whoops. Let me make myself smaller again. Which arrow? Sorry. Which arrow is pointing to the roots of this plant? Which arrow is pointing to the roots of this plant? Is it the blue arrow, the red arrow, the yellow arrow, or the green arrow? Which arrow is pointing to the roots of the plant? All to do with the plant. Okay. Pause if you need more time. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Next question. Which outfit should the bear, shouldn't say alien, and no it doesn't, which outfit should the bear wear in winter? This one, or this one, or that one. Let's call them A, B, C, or D. Which one should the bear wear in winter? Which outfit, which means which group of clothes, should the bear wear in winter? Which group of clothes should the bear wear in winter? Good. Number 3. Which of these would we be most likely to find in a town? I'm not saying we wouldn't find any of the others in the town, but which would we be most likely to find in the town? Is it this one, the combine harvester, the scarecrow, or the football stadium? Which would be most likely to find in the town? Which would be most likely to find in the town? The combine harvester, the scarecrow, or the football stadium? Well done. Let's move on. Well, there's a big clue in the picture here for this one. What is the capital city of England? What is the capital city of England? Okay, pause if you need some more time to write it down or think. Look at this, a big clue. Oh, history. What is the name of this famous building? What is the name of this famous building here? It's linked to this one. What is the name of this famous building? If you need more time, pause, because I'm just conscious of running out of time. So that's end of round 3, end of round 3, end of round 3. And round 4, mix and match. Round 4 is mix and match. What material was the third house made of in the story of the 3 little pigs? What material was the third house made of in the story of the 3 little pigs? The 3 little pigs, or pigs, didn't we? We said pigs. The 3 little pigs. What material was the third house made of? Oh, this one. Who fights the dragon and holds this flag? The flag, a red cross on a white background. Who fights the dragon and is also the patron saint of England? He's a saint. That gives you a big clue. Who fights the dragon? Okay, pause the video if you need more time. I'm going to run out. So, next one. At the wedding in Cana, so you've learnt about this. At the wedding in Cana, Jesus turned water into what? He turned water into what? Did he turn water into ketchup? Did he turn water into wine? Or did he turn water into apple juice? At the wedding in Cana, Jesus went with his mum, didn't he? And his friends, the disciples. Jesus turned water into what? Jesus turned water into what? Okay. Oh, here's one. Another one. In an emergency, what number should you call if you need the ambulance, the fire service, or the police? What number should you call? What number should you call? If you need more time to write it down, pause the video. And the last one. What am I? This is the last question of the quiz. What am I? I have 4 legs. I live in the UK. I have a bushy tail. I'm orange and brown and have a pointy nose. What am I? What am I? I'll read those clues again. I have 4 legs. I live in the UK. I have a big bushy tail. I'm orange and brown and a pointy nose. And it's the class name for next year. Okay, what animal is that? It's an animal. I just gave you another clue. What animal is that? Okay, I hope you've enjoyed that. That's the end of the quiz. And I'm going to make another video just now with the answers in it, so you could go away and then you can come back and you can look at your answers, or you could do it all in one go. So if you don't watch the answers video, have a lovely summer, and I'll see you again soon.